Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing great. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to color code notes in Google Keep in 2026. Color coding is one of the easiest ways to organize your notes and quickly identify different categories. Let's get started. First, open Google Keep in your web browser and create a new note. Give the note a title, such as Work Tasks, and add some text below it. Now click the color palette icon at the bottom of the note. A list of colors will appear. Select a color and the note will change immediately. You can use different colors for different categories. For example, use blue for work, green for study, yellow for personal reminders, and red for urgent tasks. Create another note and choose a different color. Repeat the same process for other notes. This makes it much easier to find important notes at a glance. After changing the colors, return to the main notes page. You'll see that each note has its own color, making your workspace more organized and visually clear. You can change the color of any note at any time by opening the note and selecting a new color from the color palette. That's how to color code notes in Google Keep in 2026. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more useful Google tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.